you've gotten however many years you've been on the earth, you've had all that time to really use that traditional programming that was designed for 10,000 years ago. You are not going to learn to do this perfectly overnight. You need to go to the mental gym. It's a bunch of little baby steps in correcting. But pretty soon, you'll start to notice that things that used to upset you don't upset you anymore. You're curious and you want to learn and you want to grow. So it's key to understand how this works. Your journey moving forward and the journey that we're on together is about helping people start to understand why we think and behave the way we do. So you are not your thoughts, you are not your emotions, and you certainly aren't the forms around you. As I look at this computer screen, I know very well I'm not the screen. But I also know that even the thoughts I'm making are thoughts that I have, that I've created, and my awareness of talking about them are there, but they're not me. They don't define self. They are simply things that I'm thinking based on the way I've been programmed in the past, and I have the full opportunity to glean control and be able to move forward and make a difference.